बोलिए।
Now see this problem. Find the adjoint of the matrix A is equal to -1, -2, -2, 2, 1, -2, 2, -2, and 1. So, first we find the cofactors of each elements of matrix A. Suppose here A, capital Aij denote cofactors of the elements of matrix A. Then A11 is equal to -1 to the power 1 plus 1, and after deleting the elements of first row and first column, we have 1, -2, -2. Now A21 after -1 to the power 2 plus 1, after deleting the elements of second row and first column, we have -2, -2, -2, 1. So similarly, you can find the cofactors of A31. So A31, third row and first column. So we delete the elements of third row. This is third row. First column, we have -2, -2, 1, -2. So in this way, we can find the cofactors of each elements of the matrix A. Cofactors of first row, second column. This will be -1, 1 plus 2, and 2, -2, 2, 1. So now, in this way, by using this property, we determine the cofactors of each elements of matrix A. Similarly, the cofactors of A22. 2 means second row. This 2 means second column. The second row, second column, see here, second row and second column. If you delete the elements of second row and second column, so we have 2, -2, 2. So, in this way, we can find the cofactors of each elements of matrix A. My dear students, after getting the cofactors of each element, now we have the adjoint A is equal to, we have A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and transpose of this cofactor. We have A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and by putting the value of this A11, A2, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33, putting the corresponding values of here and taking transpose, we'll get -3, 6, 6, -6, 3, -6, -6, -6, 3. And now I want to find the determinant of this value of determinant of this matrix. And we expand the determinant with respect to its first column to be -1, and delete the element of first row, first column, 1 into 1, -2 into -2, -4, -4. Similarly, we take -2, and sign will be minus, so it will be plus. And after deleting the element of first row and second column, we have 2 minus 2, 2, 1. It will be 2, 1. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, and minus plus 4. So in this way, we get the value of determinant A is equal to 27. So now, we verify the formula A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A. And after getting the product of these two matrices, we observe here 27, 0, 0, 0, 27, 0, 0, 0, 27, and after taking common, we have 27, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 27 is the value of determinant A, and this is I3. So in this way, we can verify the formula A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I3. I hope you have followed me, you have understood me. You may observe that this problem was asked in the board examination, All India 215. That's why I here discussed this problem. I explained this problem here. So I hope you have followed me, you have understood me. And this is a long problem. So you must solve it carefully. You must find the cofactors of each and every elements of the original matrix A by using the formula and getting the transpose of the cofactors of the elements of A. You can find adjoint A and then verify it. So you must remember this result also. A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I3. Thank you. Thank you very much.